Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time joining me, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, leave me a like on it. If you've never been on my channel before, let me explain how it works here. So I'm a professional affiliate marketer, a high seven-figure earner. I've been in affiliate marketing for the past 5 years. What I do is train people how to do affiliate marketing using the programs that I'm using, that I'm currently earning with. These programs have been tried and tested. I've been working with them for months and months before I ever put them out on YouTube here. And the one that you've landed on is what you're looking at right now. It's called HBA. And this is a platform that costs $25 to sign up and get started. And then you can use the tools that it has to actually start promoting it. And I teach you guys literally in this training day by day exactly how to do this. So it is perfectly fine if you're beginner friendly. Or 100% beginner friendly, rather, is what I meant. So this series is actually, like I said, you're looking at it right now. These are my earnings for the last 30 days. Just so you know that this is real, what I'm going to do is refresh this. I'm just going to go the last 30 days. You guys can see right there, it's $31,188 is what I've made the last 30 days with this. And I started this about 6 months ago. Let me just go back to July 1st. Till today. That's where I started. And since July 3rd, when I started working with this, I've earned $121,000. And you can see here how it ramps up. So the first month or two is a little bit slow. You're still starting to make some money and stuff. But really where you see the growth is like a couple months in. So July, August, September, about 3 months in, you can see it really started ramping up. And now we're at $30,000 per month. Just from this one platform. And it's going to do this for anybody. It just starts to snowball because what we're working with is a recurring subscription. So you're getting that recurring commission on this every single month. Now, that being said, a lot of times with affiliate marketing, where people stumble is they don't have a plan. They don't know what they're supposed to be doing. So that's the point of these YouTube videos. What I've done is created a step-by-step system showing you exactly what I'm doing, and I give it to you guys for free. I don't ever ask you for a penny. This isn't my company. I don't own it. I don't ever ask you for anything. I'm doing this for free, showing you exactly how I use this and how I've been able to grow this account. And you guys can just follow along. So if this is your first time here on this channel, this is the first time you've watched this video, what you need to do is go down into the video description. It's just below the video. You'll see a button that you can click to open, and in that video description you'll see a link at the very top that says click here to get started. You can click that link to sign up, but the other thing I want you to do if this is your first time here is start at the beginning of this playlist, because we're halfway into our training right now. Like, we're in the middle of our training. I think we're on video 10 or 11 right now, and actually it's video 11 right now, and so you're going to want to start at that very beginning so you see what we're doing, the tools that you're going to need, which really isn't, it's only one tool that we're really using, we're focusing on daily, and that's an emailing system that actually generates leads for us. So we use that system every day to send one email. It literally takes us 10 to 15 minutes every single day, and I give you the emails to send. So, and you don't have to find any of these people. That's what we're using this system for, because it provides the leads for us to email, and these ramp up over time. But to really understand it, go back to the very beginning of this playlist that you're watching right now. You can find that in the video description as well. There'll be a link to this playlist, and you guys start there at the beginning. I explain it all in detail, what's happening, and then you guys can jump in and join. Right now I'm just going to continue into my training, so enjoy. You can watch this if you want, but again, you may be a little lost if you don't start at the beginning there. And if you guys are just following along now, keep following. Let's jump into our MLGS account, okay? So we're going to jump in, log into our MLGS account today. Doesn't matter which account. Hopefully you have 5 accounts that you're using. If not, 2's good. I've said this before. The reason that I keep bringing this up is because as you guys start making money here, what you need to do if you have less than 5 of these accounts is whenever you're getting money come in, just use that money to reinvest and buy another couple of these accounts until you have 5 of these accounts. With 5 of these accounts in a year, you are emailing 365,000 people every day. So that's what we're focusing on right now. Is I'm going to have these videos coming out all year long. We're going to do 365 training videos, and in this time, we're going to each watch how well our accounts grow using this process. And you guys are going to be able to follow along with my account too, because every day I'm showing you my account account, what I'm making with it, what I've made the day before. Like you can see right here, today I'm at $620. Yesterday I was at $1,300. The day before, $1,680. So you can follow along and literally watch me grow as well and watch your own accounts grow, okay? So we're all doing this kind of in this together. So let's go to our mailing system. What I've done is I've created the email for you. If you remember, we did start out writing our own emails. I didn't want to take too much time. I want to keep these below 10 minutes so you guys can just jump in, get this done, and go on about your business. So I'm writing these emails for you myself. This is the email we're going to be using today. So you can see the subject. Oh, let me just change that to body. I don't want to confuse anybody. The subject here says 100% done for you. System works 24/7 for you. Okay, that's a great title, by the way. I think that's going to work great. Hi, first name. People are ecstatic with this new system. It's fresh and trending. You've got to see it now. That's where we're going to add one of our links. You don't need to do anything special. Just check it out and then imagine the huge amount of cash moving into your account. It's only available for a few more hours, so you must take advantage now. Click here to start right away. Sincerely, in your name. So let's go back over here to our affiliate dashboard. We're going to copy our link, and that's always the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. That's the one that works the best. I have used a lot of these other ones, but that one works the best. And we're going to just go add that now to our first line of text. So we're going to highlight it, right-click, insert link, paste it in, click apply. Scroll down, go to our next one. We're going to highlight it, right click, insert link, paste it in, click apply. Okay, so here you go. That's ready to go. Now let's just copy the body of this email. Copy it. Mailing system. We're going to select all our leads. I'm going to scroll down to the body. Control V to paste it in. You have to hold down Control and press V to paste it in that box there. You can right click and paste up here in the subject line, but you do have to hold down Control and press V to paste in the box there, the text box or the body of the email. Okay, let's copy this subject line. Go back over here to our mailing system and paste in our subject line. Okay, so let's just start at the top here. We've selected all of our leads. We've added our subject line. We've added the body of our email. It has our links in it. It has our name on it. And let's click perfect timing, okay? So when we click that perfect timing, there's going to be a little button right here in the bottom right that flashes up and it says send. You guys use that to send your email, right? That's what you guys want to do. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to open up our second account. So again, what I like to do is go up to the top, right click, hit duplicate, and then go over here to the account and log out. So you can just go out and log out. If you're saving these on a document, again, you can just log out of the first one and copy and paste however you guys want to do it, but maybe you're not. So that's what we're doing this for. So let's go over to our mailing system. Let's go back to the first one and copy the body of our email. Back over to this new mailing system, we're going to scroll down, erase the stuff in the body, hold Control, press V, paste it in. Let's go get the subject line. We're going to copy that. Back over to mailing system, subject line, we're going to paste it in. Let's go to the top, select our leads. We got our subject line. We have the body of the email. It's in there. The links are in it. Our name is in it. We click perfect timing and we send that right there. Okay, bam, there we go. So we're scooting through these pretty good. We're at below 10 minutes again today. I just really want you guys to focus here and envision this working for yourself, because this will over time. I know people get frustrated really early when they're starting new endeavors and nothing's happening, but I want you guys to know that if you can dedicate your time, if you actually dedicate the next 3 months to this, you're going to be amazed at what happens. You're going to be amazed. And oh, I didn't mean to flip over to this page. I wanted to show you something just to talk about this for a second. So let's go back to our yearly from when I started. Right here, if you look at the very beginning, starting at January 3rd. These sales are slow, almost nothing for a little while, kind of up and down, even down at one point. I lost this, somebody over here, obviously got a refund, went back up like this, started kind of crawling up a little bit, right? Slowly starting to move up, had some dips. Throughout the months, you're going to run into times when you have a dip. But now you can see where it's ramped up, and this is how it's going to go. That's the projection of this, right? This is constantly moving up and getting thicker here. So not only are we getting more sales throughout the week, but we're getting higher, more sales, but also more volume, right? Because they're snowballing, right? The sales that we got the first month are also coming in the second month because this is recurring. So say you got 3 sales the first month, the next month you get 3 more. Now you have 6 sales that are coming in. Then you have another 3. Now you have 9 for the next month. So it slowly starts to ramp up. Okay, and this is what we're hoping for. This is how it works. And this is how we build a recurring income. That being said, we're at 10 minutes now. Thanks a lot for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you're notified when I drop the next video. Also, you guys, if you got anything out of this or if you like this series at all, leave me a like on these videos. I really do appreciate it. If you ever need to reach out to me, feel free to reach out. And thanks a lot. I will talk to you guys later.